Hi everyone, I want to give you a quick overview of the Ed 200 course inside of Canvas. So when you log into Canvas on Ed 200, this is what your home page will look like. Elementary education at the top. When you scroll down, you will see an introduction, and then it will give you directions. It says read the course description. Pay close attention to any links on the pages that are blue. These are all clickable and will take you to different areas and accessing different resources. So if I right click and do open in a new tab, then my home page will still be open. So I open the link in a new tab, and here is my course description. I can then close the course description and still remain on the home page. When you're finished, you're going to want to view the video that's listed here so that you can get a quick overview of the course. You're watching that now. Read through all of the directions. For example, it says review the course documents by clicking the notebook papers below, print the to-do list below, and then watch the video. So our home page for Ed 200 is designed to have everything you need located in one spot. So if you scroll down on the home page, if you need SDSU University policies, you can again click on the tab and it will take you to the university policies with all of the different links where you can access different documents. You can click on student support resources to find out what SDSU has to offer. If you need support with technology, click the blue button. And if you need support with academic services, click the green button. This is a one-stop shop for everything you need about SDSU. You may find these links helpful as well in your other courses. If you keep scrolling down to course documents, you will see notebook pages. And each of the notebook pages has something different for you to access. So if you want to access the syllabus, you can click on the first notebook page and download the syllabus. You will need the syllabus for our first day of class. You will either need an electronic copy or a printed copy, so make sure that you access the course syllabus. The next notebook page gives you all of the course forms and templates. So everything that you will be turning into me that has a required form or template, all of those forms and templates are linked here. And when you click the link again, it opens. When the document opens, you simply click download. Once that document has downloaded, when you open it, all of the documents and forms for Ed 200 are editable. So give this a second. So you can see all of these gray boxes. It opens as a Word document. You can just click in the gray box, type your information, and then file save as to your desktop. So every form and template in Ed 200 is editable. You just have to download it and then save it to your computer. So moving right along, you can close the downloads. Again, all of the documents you need for Ed 200 are on that notebook page that says access to all course forms and templates. If you click this notebook page here, you will get access to all of the course articles. If you click the fourth notebook page, you will have access to other documents you need for the course. And this is super important. This is your course to-do list. I highly suggest that you download the to-do list and print a copy so that you can check off the assignments that are completed and have a quick reference for when they are due. The next thing you need to know is all of your assignments, everything that is due, will be posted here in Canvas. For example, the Flipgrid introduction. The Flipgrid introduction is the first assignment that you're going to turn in for Ed 200. When you click this assignment, it takes you to the assignment, tells you when it's due, how many points it's worth, gives you directions and a description, as well as a grading rubric, and what you need to do to submit. So all of your assignments that are submitted on Canvas will be listed here. There are a few assignments that are turned in via email or in other places. And if you refer to the to-do list, it will tell you where each assignment gets submitted. So far, your only assignments are the Flipgrid introduction, and then coming up in the near future will be the contemporary issue in public education article. But I will explain that after our first class. We won't be using the discussion tab. The grade tab is where you will access the gradebook to see your points. And then I believe that's all you're going to need to access. I will eventually add a tab on the left-hand side here that says modules. You will have 3 separate online learning only days, and those will be here. You will click on modules to access those 3 online learning days. So that is your overview of how to use our Canvas course for Ed 200. If you need support with using Canvas, click on the blue tab, Technology Resources, and in that tab, there's a whole section of Canvas video tutorials that will help you. So that's it. I look forward to seeing your introductions on Flipgrid and seeing you in class next week. Talk to you soon.